In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Areej Fatma and I am from BS Chemistry Department. And this presentation is presented to Dr. Hammad Majeed. Here I am going to discuss about Python. So here are the contents. Basically, to know about Python, we will see what is database, then what is Python, what Python can do, and its courses, and then at last certifications. Here, what is database? Database is a systematic collection of data which support electronic storage and manipulation of data. Database makes data management easy. For example, online telephone directory. Now, what is Python? Python is a coding language, is a high level interpreted general purpose programming language. It incorporates modules, exceptions, dynamic typing, very high level dynamic data types and classes. It supports multiple programming paradigms beyond object oriented programming. What Python can do? Basically, it is used as a support language for software developers for build control and management testing. It is also used for developing websites and software, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. Here we will discuss about 5 courses of the Python. So, introduction of Python, intermediate Python, joining data with pandas, data manipulation with pandas, and data visualization with matplotlib. Here I am going to discuss the course number 1, Introduction to Python. Here are the contents related to Introduction to Python, in which we discuss about Python basics, Python lists, function and packages, NUMPY. Basically, in Python basics, we will see Python as a calculator and as a creating variables. In Python list, how to create list, subset and conquer, replace list elements. And in the third chapter, function and packages, uh, familiar functions and import packages. In fourth chapter, NumPy, we will see about NumPy array and 2D NumPy array. So let's start from the first chapter, Python basics, in which we discuss Python as a calculator. We can use Python as a calculator for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentation. We if we want to add something, then we can use plus sign, and in case of subtraction we use negative sign, and in case of multiplication we can use asterisk sign, and etc. Next, creating variables. Python is used as a creating variables. For example, we will see that uh, in the given picture, create a variable savings. Savings is equal to 100 and variable growth multiplier is 1.1. So calculate result, we will equal the result 100 static 1.1 and multiply 7. If we want to print out result, then simply type print and start the bracket and type result, then close the bracket, and answer will be equal to result. Then the second chapter is Python lists, in which we discuss how to create a list. So here you can see area variables in square meters. Hall is equal to 11.25, kitchen, living room, bedroom and bathroom. So basically create list areas. Areas is equal to hall, kitchen, living room, bedroom and bathroom. Then If we want to print areas, then simply type print areas into bracket. Then subset and conquer. First we will create the area list as given. Then the next step is print out second element from areas, and the last element from areas print out the area of living room simply by typing print into area and number. Then replace list elements. In list elements, we can replace the different elements by some other elements. In the next chapter, we will see about function and packages. First is familiar functions, in which we can see that create variable 1 and variable 2, which is variable 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and variable 2 is equal to true. Then print out type of variable 1 simply by typing print into type into variable 1 and bracket close. Then print out length of variable 1, then simply type length into print into length, then variable 1, and convert variable 2 to an integer out 2. Then we can out 2 equal to int into variable 2. Then our variable 2 is converted to an integer. In the second, we will see that create list areas, then print out the index of element, and then print out how often 9150 appears in areas. Import package. Import package definition of radius r is equal to 0.43. Then import the math package simply by typing import math. Then calculate c. Calculate c is equal to 2 into r radius into math dot pi. Then calculate a by simply multiplying the first c elements, then build printout. In the next chapter, we will see NUMPY. NUMPY array, we can form NUMPY array by using Python. For example, create list baseball as given, then import the NUMPY package as NP. Then create a NUMPY array from baseball, NP underscore baseball, then print out type of NUMPY baseball. In 2D NUMPY array, first step create baseball or list of lists, then import NUMPY, then create 2D NUMPY array from baseball and NP baseball, then print out the type of NP baseball. And here is the certificate that is given me on June 9, 2022 on completion of Introduction to Python. That's all from my side. Thank you.